Hey there viewers trying to get in shape for the new year. While the new year has arrived and is in full swing, don't worry, just because you missed your window doesn't mean you should give up. There are so many lifestyle changes that can contribute to weight loss, like your sleep patterns. For instance, let's talk about 7 bedtime habits that will help you lose weight. Does sleeping in the cold help? What about putting down your phone for a change? How about eating protein? Wait, what does drinking grape juice do? We're talking all that and more. Number 1. Drink grape juice. There's several different drinks people associate with bedtime. Grape juice isn't one of them. At least not for me. But believe it or not, drinking some grape juice can be really helpful for weight loss. Grape juice holds something called resveratrol. This converts white fat into beige fat, which keeps your body warm. If you're wondering about what to drink before bed, a cup of water is still a good idea. But if you want something that activates the fat in your body and puts it to good use, grape juice is the way to go. When you drink grape juice, it allows you to get rid of your excess grease instead of storing it. Just make sure you have 1 glass. The average cup of regular grape juice holds 40 grams of carbs, almost all of which is sugar. Do your best to look for the fresh kind when you're at the store. Your body will thank you. What's your favorite fruit drink? Is it healthy for you? What have the health benefits been? Sound off in the comments section and start a conversation with our doer community. Number 2. Get cold. That's right. If you want to lose weight, you need to step out of your comfort zone. This sometimes means sleeping in a cold environment. Remember a second ago when I mentioned your body fat? Well, it needs to be put to work. When you're sleeping in a cold room, your body needs to burn energy in order to create heat. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to get comfortable. A cold temperature will activate all your beige fat, which will be used as fuel to burn energy. One of the things you can do is turn down the temperature in your room. Experts recommend you keep your room at 64 degrees Fahrenheit. I wouldn't recommend you sleep naked, but if you want to try sleeping on top of your covers, that might work anyways. Try and make yourself a little colder. It might be just what you need to lose weight. Number 3. Work out before bed. Are you feeling jumpy before you go to bed? If you'd like to get a good night's sleep while also getting in shape, exercise right before bed. The possibilities are endless. You can try cardio workouts, but you're best off doing weights. Resistance training will help you burn fat at the same time. It'll probably tire you out enough to go right to bed. It all depends on how hard you're working. Oh yeah, you're gonna want to make it a quick workout. If you work out too long and too hard, it may make you feel overtly awake. This will have the opposite effect and cut into your sleep time. So this leaves a question as to which workouts to do. I'm not saying you need to start bench pressing at 11:30 p.m. You're not proving anything to anyone. How about doing some simple push-ups instead, maybe 300 sets with some rests? Number 4. Drink some herbal tea. Much like grape juice, herbal tea is an ideal drink to have before bed. Some people associate weight loss with green tea, while green tea is still excellent for you. You don't need to load up on it all the time. Herbal tea will help you drop weight as well as feel sleepy. A cup of herbal tea before bed will have some awesome before bed health benefits, but there are just so many to choose from. I would recommend cinnamon and peppermint when dealing with both sleep and fitness. These are natural herbal teas. Cinnamon will stop inflammation from happening. Peppermint tea, on the other hand, helps you control your appetite. This way you won't feel as hungry all the time. It'll help you avoid snacks at nighttime. Eating before bed is linked to weight gain. Undigested calories are left to sit, eventually being stored as fat. Chamomile is also a winner in this area. It's known to boost your immune system and help you get a better sleep. A cup of chamomile tea before bed helps reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. If you want to get in shape, you need to be in the right state of mind. Before we continue, have you been trying to improve your health in general? Well, you need to switch up your diet. Check out our recent videos discussing which fruits and vegetables you're eating wrong. Now back to our talk on bedtime habits that can help you lose weight. Number 5. Eat a snack, a healthy one. Remember a second ago when I told you about eating before bed and its connection to weight gain? Well, it's kind of complex. A small snack before bed isn't a terrible idea. That is if you're eating smart foods that are decent and protein are usually the best choices. I'm talking about things like almonds, walnuts and turkey. Just a handful of almonds for example is low in calories. It'll provide less than a gram of fiber and protein. This is just what you need for a quick snack that won't leave you hungry overnight. There's evidence to show that protein will get you tired if you're having trouble getting to sleep. Eat some turkey. No, I don't mean a whole turkey meal, that's a little much, just a moderate amount is good enough. This means a couple slices of turkey. A study from 2016 showed that eating a small amount of turkey before bed can improve your sleep. This gives you a better chance of waking up in the morning refreshed. At the same time, your protein intake will help control your appetite. Number 6. Put down the phone. We all do it. How much of your night is spent laying in bed scrolling on your phone? There's been times I've promised myself I'd go to bed early only to be watching an hour-long podcast. Technology makes it trickier to sleep. Believe it or not, it can really get in the way of your fitness. The more time you spend on your phone, the later you'll wake up. This will end up affecting your entire day. And why, may you ask? Well, it's a pretty short answer: the light. Excessive light from our phones is keeping us up. Let's talk about melatonin for a second. Melatonin is a hormone we have that helps us control the sleep-wake cycle. When we're constantly fooling ourselves with our devices, the light that comes off it will mess with our melatonin production. Studies show that the blue light from our smartphones can directly affect melatonin. As a result, it takes you longer to fall asleep. So how does this affect weight loss? Well, if you wake up tired, you're not going to have the proper amount of energy for a workout. Your food habits will also be affected. The worse your sleep schedule is, the worse you will eat. A person who wakes up later in the day will likely be rushing through tasks to catch up. This doesn't give you a ton of time to sit and eat a proper breakfast. You'll probably be eating high-calorie snack foods on the go. I'm talking about drive-through burgers, sodas and fries, not what I picture when I think of a fitness diet. Number 7. Sort out your sleep schedule. To get in shape, you need to get your sleep in check. This means timing out a proper sleep schedule. Seriously, you need to get that technical with it. True fitness freaks will often set a time to go to bed and then wake up. An unregulated sleep schedule is directly connected to weight gain. Did you know that less than 6 hours of sleep is associated with high body fat? It's the same if you get more than 8 hours. A messed up sleep schedule will also screw with your melatonin production. This will give you more of a craving for high-calorie snack food throughout the day. A consistent bedtime and wake-up time will help lower your body fat. Your sleeping schedule means so much to your health. Have I sparked your interest? Let's continue the conversation with a couple more videos, shall we? Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both. Learn more about how to have a healthier sleep schedule. Have you made any of these sleep changes to lose weight? Let us know in the comments below.